Hello and welcome to my video where I'm going to be showing you how the distance between your cast on stitches affects how stretchy your cast on edge will be, and I'll be demonstrating this using the long tail cast on. Here you can see that when I stretch this cast on edge, it's the strands of yarn between the stitches that extend, and that's why the more yarn between your stitches, the more stretchy the edge will be. So how do you introduce more yarn between the stitches? Well, it's simply a case of spacing out the stitches as you cast them on. To begin, I'm going to cast on some stitches using the long tail method as close together as possible. And then for the next stitches, I'm going to leave some space between them. To do this, I hold the stitch against the needle where I want it to stay, whilst I tighten the yarn. I then make the next stitch, and before it tightens completely, I hold that one in place on the needle as well. And then I make the next stitch and hold that in place whilst I tighten the yarn, and so on. And I just keep repeating this motion. The idea is to simply use your finger to keep the stitches spaced apart so that they don't get squashed together. And as you can see, I space the last stitches even further apart. So the stitches on the right are close together, whilst the stitches on the left are furthest apart. Now I'm just going to do a few rows of stockinette stitch and then show you the effect of this spacing. Okay, so here's the finished cast on edge, and you can see that on the left the cast on stitches are a lot more compact and smaller, and on the right the stitches are larger. The reason that these stitches are larger is of course because there's more yarn used per stitch. So hopefully you can see that on the right the larger stitches have more stretch per stitch, and on the left the smaller stitches have less stretch. And that concludes my video about how to add stretchiness by spacing out your stitches. I really hope you found this useful, and thank you very much for watching.